This video will focus on modulus division in Python. So we've just done integer division, and modulus is the opposite, and what happens this time is we only keep the remainder after division. So 15 divided by 2, if we did it in integer division, we know that the answer is 7, okay, and we've discarded the remainder. So if we do modulus division, the integer, the whole part answer is 7, but there's actually 1 left because we've 2 divided by 15 goes in 7 times, that's 14, and we've got 1 left. So the answer in this case is 1. Okay, so we're only keeping the part we can't divide. So let's have another example. So if we did 30 modulus 7, so 7 goes into 37, 14, 21, 28, it goes in 4 times, so we're expecting a remainder of 2. And there we go. So modulus division is where we only keep the remainder and we discard the integer or whole part of the division.